What's up everyone, this is Let's Talk About It with Serene, and that's me. And today this is going to be a quick resort tour and small room tour of the Coronado Disney Springs in Florida for Disney World. If you looked at my last video, you saw that I kind of did a tour of multiple hotels. So this is actually, I'm staying with a friend at the Coronado and then going to Magic Kingdom. So guys, hit a like and subscribe down below if you have done so already, and check out this awesome video. So I'm in 6754. So this is the room. I like it a lot more than the Disney Sports. Really neat. So here is the two doubles, which is nice. Get your TV, got your little desk area, got a little chair, and got a picture here, which is cool. You got your window. You got your space here, so you can fridge, put drinks in it. You got all of your drawer space, which is nice. I like the pictures on here. I love this theme that you've got. Once again, this Spanish theme, which is great. I like how the doors slide. So you get your privacy, which is great. So you can see you got your privacy. It does close more. Yeah, that's what I figured. So yeah, it does close all the way, which is really, really cool. And then when you open this up, so you got your double sinks. You've got awesome closet space, which I think is great. Whoops, sorry, let me zoom out a little. Awesome closet space. So extra pillows and blankets, ironing board. You get the iron down below, which is great. Once again, the dual sinks. There's me. Your toilet, and then always get the Disney branded soaps. Sorry, soaps and shampoos. And it's always kind of this standard tub, if you will. You get a rainfall shower. You know, well, you get the basic shower and you get everything with the amenities here. So, and that is the room. Once again, a very, very quick tour. The beds are extremely comfortable. Very, very nice. And you can see like the corners are rounded so you don't like stub your feet or legs and you don't hit anything. You get more storage space down here. With the safe. There's the safe. I was wondering where it was. Yeah, so pretty cool. And this is just the room. Very basic and very nice. I like it a lot better, like I said, than Disney Sports, but that's not a bad room too. Got this place for like $200 for the night, which I think is a steal. So I've seen as low as $100. Oh, I also forgot little cool thing too. Little Mickey shape in the towels. Really, really cool. So, and that is the room. And this was just a quick room tour for the Disney Springs Coronado Resort in Florida, Orlando, for Disney World. Forgot to also mention, little hidden gem here. Lights. Reading lights that turn on. Kind of cool. And then when you close them, they turn off. Kind of neat. Got them on each side of the bed. So that's pretty cool. Just found that out. Just noticed it. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of the Coronado Disney Springs in Disney World. And guys, hit a like and subscribe down below once again if you didn't already. And look forward to seeing another video from me.